Welcome to my new Sunday routine, my weekly reset routine. I love Sundays. I don't know about you guys, but it's like no better day to get like your shit together and get your life together for the week ahead. And so now that I'm back at the gym, I wanted to share like a new routine, talk about my new workout routine, and get lots done for the week ahead. So I hope you guys enjoy. About to be at the gym. It's Sunday. I'm just bringing you guys along like my Sunday routine, or like my new Sunday routine now that we're back at the gym, and like my weekly reset routine, like prepping for the week ahead, and just like my Sunday. So I hope you guys enjoy, and we're gonna get a good workout in. Today we're doing chest, tries, and shoulders. Chest, tries, and shoulders. So my legs are still sore from 2 days ago. And so our weekly routine for the gym is going to be Thursdays through Sunday, and then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, since I work and so does he, we're gonna have those days off. Maybe on Tuesday, since I don't work, I can do something like light at home, like stretching, yoga, or something like that. But in terms of like going to the gym and lifting and all that stuff, that's our schedule for now. So I'm excited to be back. Today will end week 1. Every time I step in the gym, I'm like, okay, no excuses, get it done and go all out. Being surrounded by others working hard motivates me. Like, girl, you gotta get it done. First week is done. Yay! Another gym day done, and got another little shake today. It's a nice day today, actually. We're gonna play volleyball later for a little bit too, to just get in another activity. We usually do that in the spring and summer. And when I get home, I'm gonna eat breakfast, shower, and then I need to like get my day started. I might do another like a small load of laundry. Okay, breakfast time. I'm happy that I had the shake because we don't have any avocados, so I'm just having hash brown and scrambled eggs, which is still good because I'm getting a little bit of protein in, plus obviously I had the shake. So we're gonna make this. Gonna pour myself some water, make my coffee, like my normal breakfast routine, and I'm gonna shower after, but it's been a vibe to like have my coffee while I shower. It's really the little things in your routines that like you will look forward to that make you the happiest. Like I look forward to this. That's a good thing. Like you want to have things to like look forward to. So we're gonna have this. Let me start. I'm the type of person, anybody else the same way, whenever I'm like making breakfast or something, like I need to make sure like everything is on. Like I'm a multitasker, so like while this is cooking for 10 minutes, I'm not just like sitting down doing nothing. Like I'm getting everything else ready so that it's all done at the same time. I'm also the type of person that I cannot start eating until I have something to watch, or like I'll do the Wordle of the day, or put something on to watch just so I can like really enjoy. I always, for some reason, like I'm like, do I have to use the bathroom? Because I just want to sit and enjoy it. I don't have to worry about getting up to pee. I just literally, it's so funny and it's maybe so weird, but I just doing everything before I sit down to eat. So also make sure you subscribe if you haven't not already. Lots of videos coming up. May, you guys, is gonna be one crazy freaking month, because now with planning like a graduation party and stuff, like it's a lot of work, plus finishing the semester, finals. Like I feel like the month is gonna fly, and I low-key keep forgetting that like my birthday is also in May. Like that's another thing, you know what I mean? I don't know. All right, let me eat and shut up. Sitting outside while I wait for my laundry, and I'm gonna order a new book. Okay, so this is the book. It's also by Colleen Hoover, so I'm sure I'm gonna love it. Comment down below if you guys have read this book. Reading has become my new like healthy self-care like type of habit, which is surprising because when I was younger I hated reading, and I also love it like to sit outside and read. Like spending time alone to just read and be by yourself is so important, and I love it, and it's definitely something that I've gotten better at. Okay, laundry is done. It feels good to just have that all put away. I also washed our workout gloves. So if you go to the gym and you use workout gloves, here's your reminder to make sure you wash them, because that is nasty and obviously just so much sweating, bacteria. So make sure you're washing them. And my parents actually should be coming home any minute now from the grocery store, so I'm gonna put away the groceries. And I really wanted them to pick up green tea. I needed another green tea. Also, tilapia has been one of my favorite meals to make for lunch, like throughout the week some days. And what else did I ask or request? Avocado, because we haven't had. So yeah, we'll see. Obviously they get like a lot of stuff for the week, so we'll be stocked. That's usually the Sunday routine. We put away the groceries and just like stock up obviously for the week ahead. So we'll do that in a couple seconds. Cinematic view is really crazy. Okay guys, I'm back from playing volleyball. It was so much fun. I missed playing, but it was actually such a nice day out. I just made myself some green tea. As you guys can see, I love having tea throughout the week, so here we are again having tea. And we ate dinner, which was good. So now I'm gonna sit and do some work. So now I'm gonna be on my desk for a few hours up until I'm gonna go and shower and like wind down for the night. But we still have to do some editing. I want to get a little bit of typing done and like some homework, and I want to plan out my week ahead just to get myself ready. So let's do some editing. I use Final Cut Pro to edit all of my videos, and I hope you guys like my editing. Comment below if you do. Finished grinding out this video. I just have to rewatch it and stuff like that, which I can do after a shower because I need a shower. I've been sitting here and told myself in my head, I was like, okay,
try to finish this by 9.
Go shower, take your break, whatever. I finished drinking my tea, so I'm gonna go wash my cup. I'll shower and then I can come back. That's kind of like a tip for you guys. If you're sitting on your desk, like, you have to give yourself a break. Give yourself a time frame and meet the time frame. So when we come back, we will do some planning. It's actually crazy because I was editing a video and I was doing planning in there. So when I was done, I'm like, I need to do something. And I'm like, oh, I need to do planning. But I love planning on a Sunday. Like, there's no better thing to do than planning on a Sunday. And I don't know about you guys, but I love my Sundays. Like, Sundays are just the ultimate day of like getting things done. Just like, I don't know, there's something about Sundays. I don't know, I've just been in such an uplifted mood. And I was telling my boyfriend, it's definitely because we're back at the gym. Like, I told you guys, I don't even know, maybe the last video, I was like, just wait until I'm back at the gym, like, just wait. And lo and behold, we're back at the gym this week, and I just, my energy, my aura, like, I just feel so happy, genuinely. And I love that for me. Like, I love how I've been feeling. I love every day. You have to love every day. Life is too short. Okay, my camera ended up needing to get charged, so I just made some sticky notes, which are kind of gonna act almost like my to-do list for the week. Also, I feel like my lips look really red, but it's because they were so dry. So I decided to do that because I have a very busy next couple weeks, and I know I already have like my planner here, but I like literally made little mini to-do lists just so I can visually see what I have to get done right in front of me, because there is a busy week this week. I'm gonna be vlogging. I have things to do for like brands. Oh my gosh, I have a busy ass week. I forgot another thing that I have coming up. Shoot. So this will just really keep me super organized, and I definitely need it. So wish me luck. We got this. We planned everything out. It'll be good. Everything will get done. I know it will. So we're gonna now
transform
and go into bed because I'm tired, actually. Okay, I just did my nighttime reflecting. Ooh, let me make sure my alarm is on for the morning. I usually have it repeating. I just want to make sure that it's on. So we're all set. I'm going to put on my YouTube video that I always do now. Watch a YouTube video. Well, not really watch it. I just let it play for background noise. It's like relaxing and it helps me go to sleep. So I'm going to do that. I hope you guys enjoyed my little new Sunday routine, weekly reset routine. Like, well, new in terms of like now I'm back at the gym. So I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Like, what are you doing? Subscribe right now. Leave me a comment. I love responding to you guys. I respond to all of my comments. Yeah, and if you're just a silent watcher, I still appreciate you. But definitely make sure you subscribe, turn that bell notification so you don't miss out on any more of my uploads. And I love you guys. I will see you guys all in my next video.